Hi guys, hope you guys are enjoying the weekend and taking safety measures against the pandemic and are staying safe. And talking about the pandemic, we have a big news coming in. It's about the top consultants being back in business. That's right. Consultancy has also been hit during the pandemic. Now we have news that the top consultancies are back in business and the economy is coming back to normal and people are seeing real growth in the economy. So consultancy firm McKinsey has confirmed that they are getting a lot of work and they are getting back into business. And this time, most of the work that they are getting is for a long-term commitment. It's not a short-term stint or a short contract that they will be working on. It is a long-term contract that they are being awarded. This is a very good news for not just USA or any particular country, because this is a global thing happening all around the world. So this for sure indicates that the economy is getting back on track, not just a particular one, but the global economy itself. So McKinsey has confirmed that they have people from all sectors and all kind of offices are contacting them, and the sectors that have been offering them work are mainly IT, healthcare, auto, steel, hotels. What else do we have? Those are the main ones which run the economy. So that means we have all the sectors who are taking advantage of the consultancy firms. So these firms have been working for the last couple of years, and they were not really that up with work during the pandemic. However, they managed to get some work at least during the pandemic. And it can be said that even during the depression that they had, when during the pandemic there was slow work, there was no work, the consulting firms were still working. And now that we can hopefully say that the pandemic is receding, the economy is getting back on track, and McKinsey and Bain has confirmed that consultancy work is being given to them by a lot of firms, so much so that they are finding it hard to take more work. So 70 to 80% of the work that is coming in is a long-term commitment which will go on for a few years. That means the companies will keep on continuing as they see that now the economy will get back on track. So that's a very positive indication that we have got. The consultancy is getting a lot of work. That means by the mid of 2022, we'll see a lot more work coming in, the economy getting back on track. And for people who've lost their jobs, unfortunately, during the pandemic, and who have been looking for work and have not been able to get the kind of work that they were doing before the pandemic has hit, can expect to get a good work or something similar to what they were doing, a similar pay, a similar salary to what they were getting before the pandemic has hit. So ultimately they need to earn. So when the economy comes back on track, we can expect more growth, not just for the country, a global phenomena, a global thing that we'll see, and we'll also see people who have lost jobs and people who are new on the job scene, that they get back on track and they also start working with a new job. So basically, with the economy coming up, we'll see everything going positive, not just one company working or one company doing a job, one company outsourcing work. The entire economy will be back on track. So when we have a good supply of jobs, when we have good demand for people for a particular job and they are being given a job, we have other things that are also coming up. So it's like a circle. When there are jobs people take in, when people start working, there are more jobs. Manufacturers get a lot of work. Then goods are supplied into the economy. So everything is interconnected if you know how an economy works. So this is a very positive move, and hopefully 2022 will see a better future, a better tomorrow. Stay tuned for more articles and news updates. Happy weekend.